What's up, guys? It's release day Saturday. You guys see the title, the thumbnail. You know what's inside of this box. We're going to talk about this Air Jordan sneaker. Leave a comment down below right now and let me know if you took a W or an L today on the release of the Raging Bull Air Jordan 5. I want to see who copped and who did not down below in the comments. If you did cop, put a bunch of fire emojis. If you took an L, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see once again who copped, who did not, man. We have not seen this sneaker release in quite some time. We do have a new box, which I think is very dope. This box is very similar to how the sneaker last released back in 2009 in the split style box. And they gave us the wooden style box. Obviously it's cardboard, but a wooden style. And then you do have Toro Bravo there written on the back. They are missing the Raging Bull eyes from what I remember about the pack, the Raging Bull pack. On the box they did have like the eyes, the red eyes. There's no eyes on this box, but nonetheless, very dope box. New packaging. Retail was $190 on this pair. $190, and the label does read Air Jordan 5 Retro, Varsity Red, Black, and White. Jordan Brand. Nike, you easily could have gotten away with charging $225. Easily for this sneaker it would have sold out. $200, $225, they could have gotten more. They gave it to us for $190. I'm not complaining, man. Let's open them up. Let's take a look. I have not seen the sneaker in person yet whatsoever, so we're going to take a look at them for the first time together. Open them up. We do have the wooden grain style tissue paper. Wow. So these are a lot brighter from what I remember from the 2009 pair. In 2009, the red suede upper was darker, but I am not complaining. I love this sneaker. This right here is a must cop for me, and I'm sure a lot of you out there as well. You do have the Jordan Jumpman there on the back. In 2009, there was no Nike Air on the back of these, so I'm happy that they kept it. The suede is so nice. Very soft, hairy suede. Wow, they did a very good job with this release. I am happy as hell right now that we have them. So I will be rocking these very soon. You guys will see these on feet over on my Instagram very soon. I've been waiting for this sneaker for a very long time. I was not able to pick it up when they released in 2009. I wasn't into sneakers until 2010, and it's a sneaker I have owned. Like, I think I owned one or two pairs before, beat, like destroyed back from 2009. They were hard to keep clean, and a lot of people have, you know, worn beat up pairs from 2009, so that the fact that they retroed them is awesome. Awesome here in 2021. This red suede is so hairy, guys. I can't get enough of it. The suede is very hairy. They did a very good job with details. The colorway is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Definitely a must cop. I'm happy. Do you guys remember the all red suede 5s we got a few years ago? I feel like that should have been the Raging Bull. Do you remember what I'm talking about? But they finally gave it to us. You know, they a few years ago we had the red suede midsole and all red suede upper. Those were not it. These are it. These are definitely it. You got the 3M tongue, which is very nice. So shiny, reflective. Oh my goodness, they did an amazing job. They really did. Jordan Brand, you did a great job. You do have the 23 there on the side. The flames for the shark teeth. Red laces, your lace lock. Clear with the Jumpman on it. Very dope, man. Wow. They really gave it to us. And you got the icy outsole. I personally will be rocking these very quickly and a lot, where I want to get my outsole a little tinted yellow. For some reason, I think it looks a little better, in my personal opinion, on this colorway. Some sneakers, yes. Some sneakers, no. In my opinion, this will look better with the outsole being a slight tinted yellow. I think it'll look fire, because 2009 pairs are yellow now, and to me it looks fire. Clean little yellow pair. 2009, beautiful. So I think I'm excited to do that with the 2021 pair right here, man. Woo! Release day Saturday. Let me know what you guys think about the Raging Bull Air Jordan 5. So let me know if you guys took a W. They were not that easy to cop. I will do some more content on these, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I will drop a video talking more about resell on this sneaker, because I know a lot of my resellers out there want to know how these are going to perform, what I personally think. And then I will also do another video on them talking about restocks, because I know a lot of people took L's. If you're one of those people that did take an L today, they will be restocking. I'll talk more about restocks in an upcoming video as well, so be sure to stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you guys do hit the thumbs up here on this video. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. It pushes this video out to more people here on YouTube. So please, more family, take a second, click that like button for me. If you guys love sneakers, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the more family as well. Wow, 2009, 2021, and we have them. We have them. I do want to talk a little bit about the price now of this sneaker. They are going for quite a bit of money right now. They really are. They're seeing like $330, $340 on StockX and Go. I will talk more about resale, like I said in an upcoming video, but definitely gonna go up, man. This is a very dope shoe. I can see how they're selling for so much already, because like I said, we haven't seen the sneaker release since 2009, and this is one that I think a lot of people are waiting for. And we've had some other decent Jordan 5s recently, but I think the top, if I had to go off the top of my head, the top 3, I would say Jordan 5s as of recent that people really want, right? I would have to say is probably Fire Red 5s. Both sets are off-white 5s, right? Both colorways. I do own one of them. I think this was the last really good Air Jordan 5 to drop. And then as well as the black off-white 5s and these. You know, I think these are definitely the classics, the must-haves, the go-tos. And this is going to be one that definitely does well over time, man. So definitely a clean Air Jordan 5. Cop them up now before they go up. This suede, man, I can't get over it. Jordan Brand, give us this suede on more sneakers. I want to see this suede quality, the hairy suede like this, on a pair of Jordan 1s. That's what I personally would love to see. I think that would be fire. Guys, take a look at the suede. You can literally see how hairy and buttery. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments, man. Did you guys pick them up today? You take an L? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the more family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. These are straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.